Coming to Luke, Luke was a Gentile, a physician by profession, also a disciple of Paul, and he wrote this gospel specifically to this one person, Theophilus. Luke wrote another book in the Bible. If you know about it, you can mention about it in the comments below. Matthew and Luke are the only two gospels with the genealogy of Jesus. They're different genealogies, mind you. They all split at the sons of David with Nathan and Solomon. This could mean that one was the genealogy of Mary and the other one was the genealogy of Joseph, the earthly parents of Jesus. Coming to John, John referred to himself as the disciple whom Jesus loved. So, therefore, we can also say that John's gospel is more like a gospel of love, an eyewitness gospel, a gospel that's about intimate aspects of Jesus, because he was always among the inner circle being Peter, James, and John. How do we know that? If you read about the Mount of Transfiguration, that's when you will see these three men, Peter, James, and John, who encountered or who saw the vision of Jesus and Elijah and Moses. This view and vision were not open to everybody. It was something that only these three witnessed. Now, John's gospel is also very, very spiritually inclined. He spoke about Jesus being there from the beginning. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. This is in John chapter 1, verse 1. And John chapter 1, verse 14 says that the Word became flesh and dwelt among us, which means he spoke about Jesus being the Word of the living God. We see in the book of Genesis that by the Word of God, everything was formed. One of the most beautiful verses, which we also call as a golden verse of the Bible, John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. Now, these are aspects which differentiate these four Gospels. And if you ask me which among these are important, all of them. And if you're a new Bible reader, start from the Gospel of John. Let me know in the comments below which is the gospel that you love the most or you connect with the most. Shalom Aleichem.